brilyante ng lupa, inuutusan kitang pagalingin mo ang mundong ito.
La? Masakit sa utak? Tara, recess tayo. Nagugutom pa ako.
Kim! Jordan! What are you doing?
La, late na ako. Ay, ang init.
Oops! Kala mo tapos na? That's just the intro. You may have enjoyed it, but you probably didn't notice a lot of things. Let's go back, shall we?
Asim ba ng paligid? Tingin ka sa katabi mo, baka doon nang kagaling. Paano natin maiiwasan ang pagbaho ng mga trash bins? Siyempre, dapat tayo ay marunong mag-segregate. Ilagay sa tamang basurahan ng ating mga basura. Huwag kung saan-saan lamang ito itatapon. Gayun pa man, ito ay makakapagdulot ng maaliwalas na singaw ng hangin at makakatulong na rin sa ating ecosystem.
We must not litter anywhere.
Instead, we should put them in the right place.
Or better yet, if you see trash, pick it up. Listen to your teacher, especially when discussing about our Earth.
So that we can be aware of what's happening.
Do not forget to turn off lights when you leave. With people doing this, we can save our Earth from light pollution.
If we plant trees, you probably won't need a minivan.
You know, cutting down trees is a major contribution to why the Earth is getting warmer.
So if you have time and the place to do so, plant trees.
See how easy it is to be an eco-conscious individual? As students, we can make a big difference, even by doing small things.